Friends, welcome to today's class. We are learning the chapter charge of GST. In that context, we are going to learn composition levy. Composition charge is also a part of charge of GST. I am going for screen sharing now. You know, there is something called as the regular charge and something called a regular levy. Other one is the composition levy. In our previous sessions, we have very broadly discussed about composition scheme. Okay, and this is the features of regular scheme and composition scheme we have discussed earlier also. Quickly we'll recapitulate that thing. Under regular scheme, the regular rates are applicable. Various rates are there for goods or for services that are applicable. One can avail input tax credit. One can make interstate as well as intrastate supply. The person has to make GST collection. He has to give tax invoice. Nothing is to specify that invoice. The invoice has to be given in a specific format. That's all. But if he's opting for composition scheme, then tax rates will be consistent. We know that thing. Again, I will repeat it. What are the rates? Different rates applicable for concessional scheme. But a person who has opted for composition scheme, he cannot avail ITC. So no ITC is possible. No input tax credit is possible under composition scheme. Interstate supply is not possible. Only interstate supply one has to make. GST collection cannot be made. One cannot collect money from customers. Tax invoice will not be given. Right. Another document called as bill of supply will be given to you. And it has to be specified that invoice is not a tax invoice, it is a composition levy dealer. That fact has to be mentioned. All these aspects you have learned in our earlier class, if you have remembered correctly. Right. So composition scheme is basically it's a kind of relief. It's an optional scheme. It is a kind of relief for small businessmen. They can avoid compliance requirement and they can pay tax at the lower rate. But there is a turnover threshold limit. We know all these things. We have discussed in our earlier class. I think you know what is the threshold limit of turnover. The annual turnover. If the annual turnover is up to 1.5 crore, they can opt for composition scheme. Here, for service providers also, earlier it was this composition scheme option was not available for service providers, but subsequently service providers has been added to the composition scheme. There we have to see the aggregate annual turnover should be up to 50 lakh. Right, here what will happen? Turnover of the business of the same PAN, business with the same PAN shall be added to arrive at the aggregate turnover. We'll be learning in detail how to compute the aggregate turnover. Right. So to whom this scheme is applicable, we have to see that thing. And this option of composition scheme has to be electronically given by using a specific form. We'll be learning that thing also. Form GST CMPU 02. It can be given prior to commencement of the financial year. This has to be given. When a person is applying for registration, at the time of application also one can give this option of composition scheme. It cannot be done subsequently during the year. Prior to commencement of the financial year, it has to be done, or prior to, or at the time of application for registration also it can be done. Option can be changed. Once somebody is opting for composition scheme, he can come back to regular scheme also anytime during the year. One has opted for composition scheme, but if on some transactions reverse charge mechanism is applicable, he has to pay tax on reverse charge mechanism. Okay. And at the applicable rate, that means the rate applicable for the composition scheme, the same rate is not for reverse charge mechanism. Reverse charge mechanism, that is a separate mechanism. If RCM is applicable, Even a composition dealer has to comply with the provisions of RCM. Right. So all these things you have discussed. Okay. And here is a detailed comparison of the composition scheme. Right. Coming to meaning part, let us learn this in detail. Payment of taxes and prescribed rate on the turnover without adjustment of input credit. Under composition scheme, there will not be any adjustment of input credit. Under regular scheme, input credit adjustments are possible. Right. And coming to the issue of supply, a composition dealer cannot make interstate supply. A regular dealer can make interstate supply. A composition scheme dealer pays tax at a concessional rate like 0%, 1%, 5%, 6%, etc. Regular scheme dealer pays tax at the rate of 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%, like these different rates are there. We have earlier discussed various rates applicable for goods, various rates applicable for services. Coming to filing of return, composition scheme dealer pays tax on quarterly basis and files annual return. He files a GSTR 4 on quarterly basis and GSTR 9A on annual basis. A regular dealer, he files a return of outward supply in the form of GSTR 1, returns of GSTR 3B, and inward supply of 2A. All these things happen on monthly basis. And just a minute. Also, he files a annual return, which is GSTR 9. Those are the returns filed by a regular scheme dealer. There are certain restrictions on composition scheme dealer. They cannot make supplies to special economic zones. No such restriction is there for a regular dealer. One more restriction is there. A composition scheme dealer can opt out from the composition scheme anytime during the year, but he cannot opt in anytime during the year. He can opt in only at the beginning of the year or at the time of applying for registration. Okay. A regular scheme dealer can opt into composition only at the prescribed time. Okay, that is before financial year, he has to give this option. This is the summary of comparison between composition scheme and the regular scheme. Okay, and under composition scheme, these are the rates applicable. Manufacturers or traders of goods, it is 1%, consists of 0.5% CGST and 0.5% SGST. For restaurants where alcoholic drinks are not served, the rate applicable under composition scheme is 5%, which consists of 2.5% CGST and 2.5% SGST. For other composition scheme services, the rate is 6%, that is 3% CGST and 3% SGST. Okay. And earlier, we had done some example also by comparing if sales value is this much. Okay, let us say sales value at different situations is this much, 1,18,000 in case of normal taxpayer, for others composition scheme 1 lakh. And if normal tax rate is 18%, composition tax may be 1%, maybe 5%, might be 6%, depending upon the situation. If sales value is this, output GST will be this. On regular scheme, it is 18%. Under composition scheme, here it is 1%, here it is 5%, here it is 6%. Purchases figure, let us assume 40%, 40,000 in all the cases. Under regular scheme, input tax credit can be availed. ITC is 7,200 in all the cases. So total value of the purchase can be arrived at, including input GST, 47,200 in all the cases. Now, net GST liability in the first case where the dealer has opted for regular scheme, this output liability is 18,000. Input credit is available 7,200. So net liability is 10,800 has to be paid. 10,800 has to be paid. In fact, the output liability of 18,000 has to be paid. How it can be paid? By availing ITC of 7,200 and through cash ledger 10,800. Whereas under composition scheme, the liability is, first case it is 1%, that is 1,000 rupees. No ITC will be available. Even if ITC is there, credit cannot be taken. The entire 1,000 rupees has to be paid. The second case where the composition levy rate is 5%, 5,000 rupees has to be paid. Third case where the rate of composition scheme is 6%, 6,000 has to be paid. Okay, this is the comparison of the tax. One can arrive at the gross profit after paying the tax and find out in which situation profit is more. Okay, with which situation profit is more value-wise as well as percentage-wise, one can find and take a decision. Okay, if sales prices are unchanged, in the first case we have taken, sales prices are changes. That means the regular dealer is charging including GST. Composition scheme dealer is not charging GST. Second case, if the sales prices are unchanged, there also we can compare in the similar manner what will be the gross profit and what will be the GST liability. One, you can have a look at this table and try to understand how to take decision whether to opt for composition scheme or not. So these are the things you have already discussed earlier. I think it is clear to you. Do you have any query here? Do you have any query?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. This is one more question also you have done, or one more model also you have developed in your class. Okay, if this is the rate applicable for input service, input supply, output supply, rate applicable for composition scheme, how to take decision. So we have seen in certain situation result will come off for composition scheme, certain situation not to opt for composition scheme. By comparing the profit under regular scheme and under composition scheme, one can take decision. In this example, profit under regular scheme is 20,000 and profit under composition scheme is 22,000. So one should go for compositions. Okay, we have to find out what is the GST on output, what is the GST on input. Under regular scheme, the input GST credit can be availed. Under composition scheme, input GST credit cannot be availed, but tax has to be paid at a lower rate. So therefore, tax amounts will be different. Consequently, profit amounts will also be different. So one has to understand that. Okay. So up to this, we have already learned in our earlier class. What we'll do right now, we'll solve a question. Okay, to understand the scheme in a better. After that only, we'll be reading the same composition scheme section by section. Okay, we are coming to learn the various sections now relating to composition scheme. As you can see, so line by line you have to read. Okay, so before that we should have a little broad knowledge. Therefore, we'll do a question so that we can refresh our knowledge. Then we'll come to this part. Okay. And the question, you already know which question you are going to do.